Hello guys, are you ready for the Crafty Hacks lottery numbers? Yes, we're ready, come on. And the last number for the $1 billion Crafty lottery is 24!
Yes, we win!
Yeah, we're rich!
Yeah, we're billionaires! Stop! Oh, can you guys stop doing that? I'm trying to read my book.
No, we can't! We're billionaires! What?
All the food! Oh, you guys are so annoying. You want to be rich? Fine.
Huh?
Where are we at? Haha, welcome to the challenge room. You're at the Rich versus Broke Food Challenge.
Rich versus Broke Food Challenge? Sounds interesting.
Let's do it. All right, let the first challenge begin. 1, 2, 3, lift. Ooh, hamburger.
Oh, that's nothing. Look at my giant burger.
Why is your burger so big? Not fair. Haha, Mia, you got the broke food. But congrats, Max, you got the rich food. What? I got the broke food? What? Just a bread, lettuce, and tomato? Are you serious?
Look at mine. My burger has so many layers and it looks so good.
Sorry, Mia, but if you don't eat it, you'll lose the challenge. All right, fine. This burger is so boring.
Now it's time to eat my burger. Oh man, this burger's so big. How can I eat it?
Haha, you have to eat it or you'll lose this challenge. Yeah, you have to eat it if you want to earn points.
I know, I'm trying.
What? Unbelievable, Max. OMG. How could you do that, Max?
I'm just talented.
Congrats, guys. You both get points. Yes. All right, let's see what we have for the second round.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. All right, you guys. Lift them up. 1, 2, lift. Wow, a giant golden gummy bear.
Are you serious? My gummy is so little. Look how small it is.
Yeah, Max, I got the rich food, you got the broke food.
That doesn't matter. At least I got a gummy. This gummy tastes so good.
Look at my gummy, Max. It's so crazy. Woo!
Whoa, how does it taste, Mia?
It's so good, Max. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Congratulations, you guys get another point.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to the third round.
All right, let's lift it up.
1, 2, 3, lift.
Oh, what's going on? I only got one little chocolate chip.
At least you got something. I didn't get anything. Don't worry, Mia. You didn't get anything because you're getting super rich chocolate. Super rich chocolate? What is that? Oh, wow! Golden chocolate? Yes, I'm rich! Yes!
Mia's so lucky she got rich food again.
Haha, enjoy your chocolate chip.
Oh man, this isn't enough chocolate.
I love gold chocolate. Congrats, both of you got points. On to the next round, golden soda.
Wow, golden soda, I wanna try.
Me too. I only have one soda, so whoever wins my mini challenge gets to drink it.
What?
This is the no reaction challenge. Whoever can eat the sour blast without changing their face wins. No reaction challenge.
With a sour blast, that's gonna be hard.
So, you guys want to play or not? Yeah, let's try.
Yeah, I'll go first.
All right. Max, you changed your face, so now it's on to Mia's turn. I'm ready. Wow, you didn't change your emotion. That means you win the prize. Yeah! Soda. Yeah! Ooh, look at the gold. You can see it moving in the bottle. This is the best soda ever. I feel so rich now.
Oh man, you're so lucky.
Haha, yeah I am. Don't be sad, Max. Let's go to the next round. And this round, you guys get to try popping candy.
Popping candy?
Let's try it, Max. 1, 2, 3, lift. What?
There's nothing on my plate.
What is this? That's the popping candy, Mia. That means congrats, Max. You get the rich popping candy.
Rich popping candy? Whoa, so much candy!
Aw, you're so lucky, Max. Look at mine. It tastes so good.
Really? I'm gonna try mine. mine. It's popping.
Good job, Max. Both of you get points for this round. And on to the next round. Pizza.
Oh, I love pizza.
All right, time to lift it up. 1, 2, 3. Why is my pizza so little?
Poor you, look at my pizza. This is the pizza for rich people.
At least I got some pizza. It's little, but it's still good.
Oh, now I'm gonna try mine. Good pizza.
Can I take a piece?
No, it's mine.
You're so mean, Max. Don't be sad, Mia. We're moving on to the next round, which is donuts. Yeah. Are you guys ready for the donuts? Let's do it. Ooh.
But there's only one tower of donuts. Who's rich and who's broke?
Yeah. All right, you guys have to play rock, paper, scissors. Whoever loses gets a broke donut.
What? Just a little piece?
Really? Yeah. Do you want to play or not?
Okay, we'll try.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! I win! Yes! Congrats, Mia! You get the whole tower of donuts! Sorry, Max, you get the itty bitty donut.
At least I can taste the donut.
Haha, Max, how was it? Now I get to try mine. So good! I love donuts! We're officially done! Mia, you won the soda challenge, therefore you win everything! Yeah!
I hate challenges. I always lose.
Hi, everyone!
Did you guys like our challenge? Leave a comment down below.
Subscribe and like the bell button! Give us a big